Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can transform your Instagram bio by adding the cool fonts to your Instagram bio. So if you want to unlock the power of Instagram bio customization, you can use stylish fonts to your bio. And here through this video, I'm going to tell you how. So watch this video until the end. So here I've already written my bio, but as you guys can see here, the fonts is just a basic fonts on Instagram, and if you want to change it, you can just use the steps. You can click on this edit profile. So I'm going to just use this bio, so I'm going to just copy this bio first. So just long press on it and then copy it. Now you can just go back to your home screen and go to your browser, and in here just search for font changer on the browser. You can just type in font changer in here, tap on enter, and here on the Google search there are so many font changer options that you can use. For example, here I'm going to use this one, font changer dot style. You can just click on it, and here you can type your text in here, or you can also paste the text that you already copy just like this. You can hit on enter or just wait, and here you can see this is the font suggestion for your Instagram bio. You can see there's this most loved fonts, there's also this common fonts like the Instagram using this is the basic one, or there's also this fancy squiggle fonts. And if you scroll down again, there's this lines and design fonts, bracket fonts, decorated fonts, and fancy emoticons. So you can just choose which one, but I'm going to just use the most love. From this most love fonts, I'm going to find the one that I like. Okay, in here I'm going to just use this one, the monospace fonts. You can just long press on the font that you want to use, tap on select all, click on copy, and then you can go back to your Instagram. Here you can just delete this basic one and then paste the one that you already copied, the new fonts. You can see the fonts will look different now. You can tap on the check icon at the top, and let's go back and see if it's worked. Okay, you can see it is working, and now the font is changing. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.